Hey guys, I'm here today doing a viewing at this beautiful beachfront gated community here. And let me tell you something, it is less than 10 minutes away from Kingston. Can you believe that? Yes, it is. Just imagine living in a community where you feel like you're always on vacation. You can see the beautiful beach out there. You can walk down from your property, guys, and actually put your foot in that sea there. Can you imagine that? Oh God, guys, come along with me. You all really need to see this. I am your girl Lizzie here, realtor in Jamaica. For anything real estate, my contact information is 876-316-3381. Let's go, guys. Let's go. That's a sneak peek of the tower there. Yeah, that tower. Yeah, that's where you'll find the condo apartments there. Guys, when I tell you, they are just beautiful. Let's go. So if you look on the outside here to get down to the entrance, yes, it is manicured. It's a beauty. Just look at all that lushness to enter your home. Yes, and welcome to the Bayfront. Welcome to the Bayfront villas and apartment, guys. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. Look at this. You tell me if this is not beautiful. And of course, guys, let me tell you something. Security here, yeah, security here is top notch. You can't just, thank you, honey, you can't just come in and out as you feel a need, you know? So yes, guys, look at this. Look at this beauty here. I just want you guys to take this in. This is what you would be seeing every single day if you are living here. Yeah, this is what you'll be seeing. I just want you guys to just look, take this in, enjoy this. Can you imagine you're on your home and you can just come out at any time, go for a little stroll in your community. You know, go just come out and go and walk, because you're like, you know what, let me go and walk. And guys, let me tell you something. Over here is breezy. You don't need to be using up all them ACs. I'm telling you, it is the summertime and you don't feel summer over here. I can just imagine what it feels like over here in the Christmas time. Yeah, man, summer is, yeah. Summer on this property feels different than elsewhere, because where I live, summer is summer. Over here, nope. It's just breezy and nice. Guys, this have a nice feel of Florida. It's like it's a mix with Florida and Jamaica. It's just, you know, in Jamaica you get everything better. Yeah. Yeah. Look at that, guys. Look at all of this. Look how beautiful this is. Tell me if this don't have a Florida feel to you guys. Be honest. This have a Florida feel to it. Yeah. And guys, I don't know, look at that. I'm sure you can see the sea from here. Look at all of that, guys. That's the sea. Yeah, that's the sea you're looking at over there. Just think about it. Look straight ahead there, guys. That's the sea. You cannot get better than this, guys. Look at that. Oh my gosh. And this is home. This is home, guys. Look at that. Look at that, guys. Oh my God, this is just beautiful. Look at this. Just imagine you in one of these homes, and all you open up your windows, and all that lovely sea breeze coming in. No need for AC. Nope, no need. No need. And again, you tell me which part of this beautiful property here don't feel like Florida. Every single part feels like Florida, yeah? And you have your nice little space over here with your gazebo. Let me show you. Look over here, guys. Look at that. Nice little area. You can come out, actually come out and go over there and have a seat. Enjoy some wine in the evening. And yeah, I'm saying this is beautiful, guys. Beautiful. I am loving this. Guys, so how nice this is, I need to come out the car because y'all need to see what I am talking about here. Look at this. Look at this beauty. You tell me, which part of this is not paradise? Because if you ask me, this is all paradise here. Paradise here in our beautiful country, Jamaica. You see, this is a true definition of Jamaica. Beautiful, isn't this, guys? Woo. I am loving it. I am loving this. Yeah. Here, look at the air. Look here, guys, if you want to know what's going on here with the breeze, look at this. This is amazing. Oh, it's cool, it's cool, it's cool, it's cool. Guys, trust me, you would love this. I know you would. Yeah, beauty, guys, beauty. So yes, guys, you see that tower over there, guys? Yeah, I showed a client of mine a condo over there, guys, and let me tell you something. I'm going to attach the video. I'm gonna attach that video to this, and let me tell you guys, it is breathtaking. The video don't have any audio because, of course, I didn't want to disturb anybody. So I say, you know what? Let me just shoot it. Even though you're gonna see my mouth moving and all of that, there's no audio there. Trust me. And guys, I'm telling you, it is just amazing. It is breathtaking. You cannot ask for better living here in Jamaica. Look at this beauty here. And guys, the entrance and everything that has to do with that tower, yeah, it is first class. Beautiful entrance. Yeah, you go in the elevator, you go up, and then yeah, when you enter, beautiful. And guys, let me tell you something, the bedroom is super spacious. You are going to see when I tell you about spacious, guys. Oh my God, there's a king size bed in there, and well, there's room to fit 2 king size bed plus side tables and more. You're going to see exactly what I'm talking about, guys. I am telling you, you are going to love it. So again, stay tuned for and watch the apartment, the viewing of the apartment, and tell me what you think. Again, don't forget, real estate agent Lizzie here in Jamaica. My contact information is 876-316-3381. And don't forget, guys, to share and subscribe. And also, guys, let me show you some, believe it or not, that structure in front of me there, yeah, those are more condos and stuff like that, more apartments, and they're all sold out. Yeah, it's a part of this complex that we're on, and it's all sold out. So if you want to know if people love this place, there's your answer. People are loving this place, guys. Lovely, lovely, lovely. So I am gonna go in the lobby just to show you the grand entrance, and then I am going to attach the video of the apartment for you to see. Okay, hold on, let me go in. Oh, sorry. Whoa, you have to pardon me, guys. I am so yes, this here is the entrance, yes, to the condos in this unit. Yes. And I just want you guys to see the beauty here. This is what your guests will see when they come to visit. And yes, it's amazing, I know. This is what you would be calling home if you're living here. Can you imagine coming home to this every day? Yes, I know, I can. It's amazing. So here we go, guys. This is it. This is the entrance to the tower. And as I've said before, it is first class. It is lovely. And right from the tower, guys, I'm back on the outside, as you can see. Right from the tower, yeah, you can, right from the entrance there, you can actually stand up at the entrance and look over into the ocean as well. You see, it's beautiful. This is beautiful, guys. Yeah. And again, guys, this is only, well, less than 10 minutes away from Kingston, and this property here, you feel like you're on vacation. Again, I am loving it. I know you are loving it. I am Lizzie, your realtor here in Jamaica. My contact information is 876-316-3381. And guys, listen, do not forget to share this video and hit that subscribe button. I love